In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit components in Figma. By the end, you'll feel confident making precise edits to both individual elements and the original components they come from. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into the file or page where you're working. Give the canvas a moment to load so all your layers and components are available. Make sure the element you want to work with, like a button or any other component, is already on the page and visible. If it's part of a design system, you're likely looking at an instance of a main component. Click the element on your canvas to select it. If it's a simple shape or text layer, you can edit it directly. Use the right-hand design panel to change the text content, adjust fill colors, tweak corner radius, update font, weight or size, and modify spacing. Keep an eye on the alignment and padding so your button or element remains consistent with the rest of your design. This is great for quick, local adjustments to a single instance on your page. If you want your changes to apply everywhere that component is used, you'll want to edit the original or main component. To do that, look to the left sidebar and switch from the Layers tab to the Assets tab. This panel organizes your components so you can easily find the source. Browse or search for the component by name, then open it to access the main version. You can identify the main component by its icon. It shows 4 diamonds grouped together. Instances typically display a single diamond, often hollow. Editing the one with 4 diamonds ensures your updates cascade across all instances in your file. With the main component selected, use the same design panel on the right to change text styles, color tokens, font families, sizes, or spacing values. Keep these changes consistent and purposeful. Small adjustments here can make a big difference project-wide. When you're done, return to your canvas and confirm that instances reflect your updates. If you don't see changes, double-check that you edited the main component and not a detached or overridden instance. Consistency is key. Rely on the main component for global updates and reserve local tweaks for one-off needs. That's it. You've opened Figma, selected your element, made direct edits, and then edited the original component from the Assets panel, confidently using the 4 diamond icon to confirm you're in the right place.